Did you request your DMV hearing within the 10-day period after your DUI arrest? Great. Now what? If you're feeling uncertain about what comes next, you are not alone. I'm attorney Kara Stein-Conaway with the Stein-Conaway Law Firm. We help people facing DUI charges and other criminal cases in San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria courts navigate both the legal system and the DMV process. In today's video, I'll talk about what happens after you request a DMV hearing and share a helpful wellness resource to support you during this challenging time. Once you've successfully requested your DMV hearing, here's what you can expect. You'll receive a notice of hearing from the DMV in the mail. This is an important document as it will include the date, time, and location of your hearing. It's critical to check your mail regularly after your DMV hearing request. If you're working with an attorney, make sure to send your attorney a copy of the notice of the hearing as soon as you receive it. If you've hired an attorney, this is where your attorney can play a significant role in supporting you through the DMV hearing process. Your attorney can request discovery, which means asking the DMV to provide all relevant documents and information related to your case. This is crucial because it allows your attorney to thoroughly review the evidence that the DMV has against you, giving your attorney a better chance to develop an effective defense. Once your attorney has reviewed the evidence that is available to receive from the DMV about your case, your attorney can also consult with expert witnesses. On DUI cases, attorneys can consult with forensic chemists who are expert witnesses on how alcohol impacts your driving abilities and your blood alcohol concentration levels. Another helpful service your attorney can provide is legally justifying continuances of the hearing date. Continuances of the hearing date can give your attorney the opportunity to gather more evidence, consult with experts, and have more time to carefully prepare their arguments. Having sufficient time is needed to develop your case to be as strong as possible. Even if ultimately the evidence developed in your DMV case is not strong enough to avoid a driver's license suspension altogether, obtaining continuances of the DMV hearing also allows your attorney to guide you with the steps you need to take so that you are eligible for post-suspension driver's license options with less delay. With all of that in mind, it's easy to see how this process can start to feel overwhelming. It's easy to feel like the system is stacked against you, or to take every frustrating phone call or delay personally. That's why I want to share with you the third agreement from the 4 agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Don't take anything personally. It's a simple idea, but it can be incredibly powerful during a stressful process like this. When you're dealing with any aspect of your DUI case, you might experience long delays or unhelpful responses. It's easy to internalize those moments, and you might be tempted to take those things personally or feel like there's no hope. By reminding yourself not to take things personally, you protect your emotional energy and avoid unnecessary stress. Instead of becoming discouraged, you can focus on what you can control, such as staying organized, being proactive, and maintaining a positive attitude despite the obstacles. Taking this approach allows you to move through the legal process with more resilience. You'll find that when you stop taking things personal, you free up space to think more clearly and act with purpose. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. It's okay to lean on others for support, whether that's through friends, family, or professional help. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand what happens after you request your DMV hearing and how to feel more confident as you move through this next step. If you found this information helpful, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss more tips on navigating DUI cases and DMV hearings. If you have any questions or need further guidance, drop a comment below. My team and I are here to support you.